Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today in this session, I'm going to take up another new technique or a framework which will help you to start speaking in English or building up new sentences or making new sentences in English on a particular topic. So basically this framework or technique is going to help you to start speaking in English on any given topic, right? So if you want to learn to speak English fluently and confidently, if you're looking for a platform which provides techniques or frameworks which can help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English in no time with real conversational topics or daily English conversational topics, then this is the right platform for you. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is, yes, stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin with the topic. So I'm going to describe another framework or a technique which will help you to start speaking in English. Okay, you will know how to speak on a topic. If there is a discussion going on, if there is a conversation going on among people and you are a part of it, you know how to start and how to end that conversation. So that is how this framework or technique is going to help you in speaking in English. So let's come to the framework now. So what is this framework? This framework is think, visualize and speak. Okay, think, visualize and speak. Now, whenever there is a conversation going on, first of all, you have to listen to that conversation. Like, what is the question or what is the topic which is going on basically? Right? Somebody is speaking on food, somebody is speaking about a hobby, somebody is speaking about any issue, somebody is talking about health, somebody is talking about passion, etc. So there are lots of topics people talk about every single day. We talk about every single day, right? So the first thing we have to do is we have to listen carefully what is the topic, what is the conversation, and what others are talking about. Okay, so that is the first thing. So that is why you have to listen and then think about what you can say. Think about it. Take the topic and visualize, right? We know a lot about things. When some discussion is going on, we do have ideas. We do have things which we can talk about. So think about it, visualize it, and then speak on it, right? Speaking is basically putting your thoughts or visualization into words, right? Now, it sounds a little difficult for you right now, but trust me on this, when I will give this example, you will be able to understand exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's quickly get to the example. So for example, right now it is summertime and many people are going on vacations. Right, summertime is the best time to go to our grandparents' place or our hometown or any other hill station or anywhere else, like just to go on a vacation, take a break. So we all do this. So this is the right time to start having a conversation on summer plans. So basically I go to drop my kid every day. So people do talk about it. Like, what are your summer plans? What are your vacation plans? Where are you going this summer? Do you have any suggestions where we should go this summer? Any new place, any new holiday destination which we can explore? So these are the questions which comes up during this time, right? People do ask. We get summer vacations from college, school. So children are free. And parents also take some leave and then we plan to go somewhere, whether it is our grandparents' house or our parents' house, which is our hometown, or somewhere else. Okay, so we do plan. So that is why I'm going to take up this topic and I'm going to speak on it. And I'm going to tell you how you can think, visualize and speak. Okay, so for example, somebody has asked me about my summer plans or my vacation plans. Where are you going this summer, or what are your vacation plans for this summer? How do I answer this question? The first and the foremost step is listening. I'll just focus on what the person has asked me specifically. What are your summer plans? Where are you going for a holiday this summer? So I know what the person has asked me. Now I'll start thinking about it, like what should I say? So I'll just visualize everything. Like at home, we do plan, right? If we are going on a vacation, we do plan it long ahead. A month or 2 months before we do plan. Okay, so I know the planning which is going on at my place with my family. So I know everything. So I just have to go back to that memory. I have to visualize that entire scenario, like what we have spoken about, what are our plans, how much we have finalized, and what we are planning. So everything is there. I just have to visualize it, everything in my head, and then I have to speak. So I visualized everything, like what till date, what is the progress or how much we have planned for the vacation. And then now it's my turn to speak. So how I'll start speaking here? It's just basically the planning which I've done, I have to speak about it. Okay, so I'll start my answer directly with the question. Yes, we are going to our hometown this summer. This is a direct answer. The person has asked me, what are your summer plans, or where are you going this summer? Right, so my answer is, I'm going to my hometown this summer. For the summer vacation, we are planning to go to our hometown. Okay, this is one thing. Now, what else I can add to this? We cannot end the conversation then and there, like in one sentence. We have to speak something more about it, right? 3 to 4 sentences, 5 sentences, we should speak so that the conversation can keep on going. The other person also gets a chance to jump in and speak something so that the conversation goes ahead or grows. Okay, so let's add a few more lines. I have my cousin's wedding at my hometown. So that is why this time we have planned to go there. Otherwise, we prefer going to a hill station during summers, and during winters, we visit our hometown. So this time we have just swapped the plan. It has been a long time we have visited our hometown, and my daughter was also very excited to meet her grandparents and to attend the wedding. So that is why this time we have planned to go to the hometown. So this is how I spoke. I added 2 to 3 sentences to it. Like, how did we plan? So I'm just giving a reasoning or a logic to it. So whenever you say a statement, whenever you say something, you have to add a logic or a reasoning to it. So this is a framework or a technique which we should remember. Okay, so I'm going to my hometown, which is for sure. But then I spoke about a little more detail about it, why we have planned for our hometown. Okay, so I gave a reason there. So this is how we can talk about it. Let's take another topic here. If somebody has asked me my favorite holiday destination, or I can suggest any destination for this summer vacation. Okay, if somebody has asked me this question, how should I answer this? Right, they want to know about a place where they can visit for this summer. Okay, or to go on a vacation. So here I've got a chance to speak about my holiday or vacation which I liked the most or which I would like to suggest. Right, I have been to places and I have to speak about one such place which I really liked and I can suggest to the other person. So here also you have to listen to the question. You should know what you have to talk about. You have to think about it, like what you want to talk, which holiday destination you want to suggest. If you have something in mind, think about it and then visualize the entire thing, how it was. How was your holiday which you liked? Think about your holiday and what was the highlight of that holiday which you liked, and then you have to speak on it, right? You are suggesting something. When you are suggesting something, you have to give enough reasoning or logic so that other person also get convinced that, okay, why she's suggesting that. Okay, so let's give it a try. There are lots of hill stations I have been through. But if you want to go nearby, I think Mahabaleshwar is one such place which you can visit. And if you want to go far off, I have been to Missouri and I really enjoyed Missouri. Both the places are very different, but Mahabaleshwar is very close and it's a beautiful place. I really love the food there, I love the weather, and I love going to different scenic spots, clicking pictures, viewing the sunset or sunrise, enjoying the cafes and restaurants and food there, and chilling out basically. You can book a resort there and you will really have a great time there. You can just sit there and relax and enjoy in the resort as well. And if you want to go to Missouri, Missouri is a beautiful place. It is very cold. Again, the food is amazing. The hotels are good and you can enjoy the Mall Road. I have enjoyed Mall Road the most. There's food, shopping, everything is there on the Mall Road. So these are the two places I would suggest you to go this summer. So guys, this is how I understood the question. I started thinking about what to suggest or what to say, and I visualized the entire thing and then I spoke about it. So visualization means you're immediately taken back to that memory, right? If somebody has asked a question and you have to answer that, you immediately go back to that, right? Your memory goes back to that thing and you start remembering that, and that is where you have to start visualizing, and then you have to putting that visualization, that picture into words, right? When you have been to somewhere or you have been through something, you will definitely remember that. Your brain will definitely remember that. And the trick is, whatever you remember, you have to translate that into words. You have to speak that out. Okay, and that is why visualization is very important. When you remember things, when you visualize things, you just have to convert that, you just have to translate that into words. So you have to be quick in doing that. So the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. So start taking up these topics, start practicing this technique or framework of speaking in English in this way. And don't forget to add a reasoning to your answer or an example to your answer. So the first thing is you have to give a logic to your answer, and then you have to give an example if you wish. Okay, so this is the format you have to take care of. You have to remember every time when you're speaking on any topic or you are a part of any conversation, when you have to speak about it. Just remember these things and you will definitely sound fluent and confident in speaking in English. But keep practicing. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.